Can you see yourself working for somebody else?
I never have.
Can you see it?
I'm used to having a company where the ideas that I have are something that I can easily pursue. So I think it'd be a tough transition.
So just let me show you Microsoft website at 2022. I guess I made most typically thing for everyone. Just go to the Google and type Microsoft.com. Pretty predictable slider, cards, information about Windows 11, and we can even see the responsivity for this site. Let me close all of these windows, and what I see on my desktop? Microsoft folder. Let's go in and open index.html file. And didn't you think that is actually the same website but with different content inside and different images? I guess you get my idea. But not forget that we can go to the inspector on Microsoft website and download all images from original Microsoft.com website. And here appears the most predictable question. What makes Microsoft.com originally and what makes Microsoft Microsoft? Of course, I'm not a Bill Gates, but here's another question. If anyone who wants a beautiful website for his portfolio to get a job anywhere can make the same thing which I made? Surely answer is yeah. Guys, if you wanna watch the tutorial how I made this website step by step, tutorial, so write please in the comments that you want it and smash the like button, please. So let's speak a little bit more about how I myself made this project. It will hurt pretty simple, but I just go to the youtube.com, simply YouTube, and type remade Microsoft.com, and I watch this Traverse Media video and just make the same thing step by step. And here is the same question. This video watched nearly 100,000 humans. It means that 100,000 potentially humans made the same project like me. And this is not end of the story. I know bunch of YouTubers which make the same thing but with the Apple website, with the Netflix website, with the Airbnb website, with a bunch of IT Digens websites. The simple programmers from CIS countries or India are making the same investment to which spends nearly $100,000 in a Silicon Valley. Let me give an example. Sony Sanha, this is a programmer from India and YouTube blogger simultaneously. Only this person remade Airbnb, Spotify, and bunch of programs like Instagram and etc. Clear code. This person remade Zelda in Python in just 7 hours. That is insane. Including that information that Zelda costs $16 to $20. And this is the power of YouTube, that you can watch just some kind of video from Traverse Media or whatever blogger you want and make some sort of incredible portfolio work. But could you learn programming from scratch and from YouTube tutorials? It's another question, to which I made bunch of videos, link to which gonna be in the description. So watch one of them and I guess you will get answer to your question. Wait, is everything really that good for simple humans like we and such bad for IT Digens? Answer is surely not, because when you are watching YouTube tutorial and try to make something incredible like Microsoft.com, there is more downsides than upsides. Even in my project I have lots of bugs and I go to the programmers community and there I fix all of this my bugs. There was nearly tens of bugs and even now I have one of them. Watch more how it's hard in general to learn something from YouTube tutorials or retry just reading code from your screen to your VS Code from links in description, because I made bunch of videos. I retried same Traverse Media or Free Code Camp. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and bye bye.